Perhaps the biggest change in the history of modern sport when it comes to the sport itself was done by hockey in 1976 when it completely changed its playing surface. And हमें भी बचपन में बताया जाता था, मेरे पिताजी मुझे बताते थे या उनके जनरेशन में अभी भी ये कहानी चलती है कि the Europeans changed the surface to quell India's dominance in the Olympics and quell India's dominance in hockey. But that's not true. सच तो ये है that it all happened by accident. You see, the 1976 Olympics was set to take place in Montreal in Canada, which is a cold place, जहां पर grass pitch maintain करना आसान नहीं है. And throughout the world, grass pitches had their problems because if it's a big tournament like the Olympics, there are multiple venues, and the maintenance of the grass was very difficult. It would deteriorate. Secondly, grounds could be uneven, थोड़ा उबड़ खाबड़ गड्ढे हो सकते थे, तो फिर उससे गेम फ्लो में प्रॉब्लम होती थी. अगर वेदर खराब हो या एक ड्राउट हो जहां पानी नहीं है, या अगर बहुत ज्यादा बारिश पड़ रही हो, देन ग्रास पिचेस बिकेम अनप्लेएबल. कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, क्योंकि मॉन्ट्रियल में घास उगाना ज्यादा आसान नहीं था और मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल था, एस्ट्रोटर्फ, अ कंपनी, रेज देयर हैंड and told FIH कि why don't we come up with a surface for you based on nylon synthetic fibers यानी कि प्लास्टिक which mimic grass pitch conditions. FIH ने बोला क्यों नहीं, और यही लक्ष्य था, एक ड्राई पिच पर खेलना था. पर जैसे मैचेस शुरू हुए, घमासान बारिश होने लग गई एंड वहां पर FIH ने बोला अरे ये तो सही है, because it turns out when it was raining and the pitch was wet, the gameplay was much better. The play was faster, slicker, control was easier, less friction in the surface, and it was also safer for the players. Which is why FIH had its Eureka moment and then said from now on all hockey will be played on astroturfs which are wet so that the surfaces are standardized.